here's a video, first one in a long time, but we have NQ right here on a 1 hour time frame. These are, if it wants to go higher, then we can take out this liquidity, small fair value gap right here, liquidity right here, our weekly open on a 5 minute time frame right here. If we see price break below here, this swing low, we're looking for shorts. As you can see from market structure, from what I'm seeing right now, has more interest in going bearish than it would bullish. We've kind of just been manipulating right here. There's not much more reason for us to go bullish, in my opinion, besides if we want to just want to sweep this higher or whatnot. But overall, we still have this last week open. Let's see, 2 4 hour fair value gaps. And another indicator I use are EMAs on a 4 hour time frame. This is not my only confluence, this is just a small part about it. But if we go right here, it might be easier to see. It definitely looks like market structure is leaning towards bearish, but you never know. NQ can surprise you at all times. But if it does, we'll count this as a retest up here, and then it'll break down lower, and it'll take out somewhat of all these lows. I can definitely see the weekly open, maybe some of these gaps right here, but overall, we're looking for shorts. And on my journal, we're looking for 80% shorts on NQ, and longs are at 20%. This is what my bias is. This is what I believe. This is what I see. But I'm not putting all my will on that because the markets do whatever they want. So if we have different interests, then cool. Then we have targets for above and whatnot. Then on gold, right here, these are our targets. Again, EMAs are just a slight confluence in what I look at overall. But we can keep on going bearish, take out some of these lows right here, or we can sweep and go upwards. I had longs for 70% and shorts for 30. Let's see. These are our targets that we would be aiming for. So you can see 2 4 hour fair value gaps. And here's some of this liquidity and highs we can take out as well. If we do want to go lower, sometimes these 4 hour gaps get filled, but not often than not. I can see us going more bullish on here than bearish. I mean, the weekly open, is it getting filled now? So depending on what it does from here and how it reacts at these highs will determine if we're looking for longs or shorts, as well as NQ. We ran away from this weekly open last week, so I'm assuming it's still a strong draw. We might just do the same thing this week, but this is my bias, this is my review, this is what I think, and yeah.